Hi YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to do some insulating in my shed using a 2-inch foam board, so rigid foam, and a new tool I got called the Great Stuff Pro foam gun, and you use canisters of expanding foam, and the theory is this is more control and cleaner than using those plastic strawed ones. So wish me luck, and here we go. So I have the insulation sitting on a piece of plywood on top of some sawhorses, and I'm using some 1-inch tube steel as a straight edge, and that clamps to hold it down, and a heavy-duty razor to cut it. And I think it's probably going to take 1 or 2 cuts to get through this, since it's 2 inches deep. Yeah, 2 cuts, it looks like. There you have it. Cut off a piece of insulation. So I'm cutting these lengthwise about 1.25 inches narrower than the distance between the studs. And that is so I can spray some foam, and I'll show you that here in a second. So I'm using some liquid nails I have left over from an old project. I have a half a dozen or more tubes left, and I'm just putting some in, sticking the panel in sort of here, and it's working out pretty good. There you have it. Okay, so this Great Stuff Pro gun actually works pretty well. You can control the speed at which the foam comes out.